Question 1. Find the incorrect statement from the following. Option A. Every prime number is a natural number. Option B. Every rational number is a real number. Option C. Sum of two prime numbers is an even number. SCF of twin prime number is 1. So A. Yeah, every prime number is a natural number is correct. Every prime number is natural number. For example, 3, 5, 7, 11. Prime number means the number that is divisible by 1 or that number itself. That's called prime number. And all prime numbers are natural number. This is right. Option B. Every rational number is a real number. Yes, because real number contains rational and irrational both. So option is also correct. C. The sum of two prime number is even number. So let's take example 2 plus 3. These two are prime numbers. 2 and 3 are prime, equal to 5, which is odd. So this is incorrect. On option D, SCF of twin prime number is 1. Yes, only 1 is the number that can be divisible to all prime numbers. That is also correct. So option C is the correct option, saying that sum of two numbers is a even number, which is the wrong statement. They ask for the incorrect statement only. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, A, B, C, D. Write that. The next question is, in the number 4 star 5 6 star 3, the same digit occurs in place of star. The difference between their values is 79920. What is that number? Just write the first number. 4 star 5 6 star then 3, and mark the places. This is 1's place, this is 10th place, this is 100, this is 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay, so 1 star comes at 10th position, means write it 10, and the second star it's 10,000, write 10,000. Okay, take the difference, it's 9990. Okay, what I have done, where is the star? Write that position. It's 10th position, means it's 10, 1 star. Then second is at 10,000 position, this 10,000. I written the 10,000. Just at what place that star is, write that place value of that star, means general place value. It's 10 and 10,000, and difference is equal to 99 into that number. Okay, so here the difference they have given, 79920 equal to 9990 into number we called x. So now if we need to calculate x, then take this on this side. 79920 divided by 9990, this comes equal to 8. The value of star is equal to 8. The value of star is 8. Okay, I am repeating. Just write the number first, then take their place value, means 10,000 or 10. This is the second step. Now the difference equal to this number 99990 into that number. For example, they have given the difference 79920 equal to 9990 into x. This is our number that in place of star. Okay, so if I want to calculate the x, then take this 990 on the other side. Here it's multiplication, it goes to division side on the other side. So 79920 divided by 990 equal to 8. So value of star is third question. Which of the following is the smallest 5-digit even number using the each of the digits 7064 at least once? Okay, so we seen the last video. If you are not seen, just watch that video. So to create the smallest number, what we need to do, we follow some rules. The rule is, first rule is dash rule. Means how many digit number ask? They ask for 5 digit, so 5 dash. Okay, but they given the 4 digits. Okay, now we need to create a 5 digit. So rule number 2, if it contains 0, mark it on the second position. Okay, now rule number 3, write the second smallest number at the first position. This is 4. Okay, now whatever we are taking the smallest, right, write the biggest number at the end. This is 7. Second biggest 6. If any place pending, write the smallest number. So this is the 0 is the smallest number, so I have written 0. So 40067 is the number which can be formed from this 4 given 4 digits, which is the 5 digit smallest number. Okay, but this option is not there. Why it's not there? Is the question is wrong? No, the question is not wrong because they ask 5 digit even number, and this is the odd number. And to convert this number into even number, what you need to do, write the same 3 digits, interchange this one 6 and 7, make it 76. So 76 is the 5 digit smallest number. 40076 is the 5 digit smallest number that can be from the given digit. 5 digit even number. Okay, what we have done, we just change the last 2 digits, 667, make it 76. So that becomes the even number, and that is the 5 digit smallest number that we can create. And option is 40076. This is the option C. Okay, option C is the correct one. Understood? How we, if you have not watched that video, it's very important because here they have given the 4 digit, asked to create the 5 digit. In that case, we need to follow the 5 rules. First rule is dash rule. Second rule is mark 0 at second position. Third rule is the smallest number at first position. Then write the biggest number at the end. Start from the end. Okay, if any place pending, write the smallest number from the given number. With that 5 rules, we can create 5 digit any number. Okay. Question 4. What is the difference between the greatest and smallest 6 digit number formed by using the digits 35074 each at least once? Okay, so we need to create the 5 digit greatest number, and we need to create the 5 digit smallest number, and then we need to take the difference between two numbers. So for that, we need to follow our own rules, right? So write the digits first. Digits are 35074. For the greatest number, we need to follow our rules. Okay, for the we need to create the 6 digits. So mark the 6 dash 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now write the smallest number from the right. 0, done. Then 3, done. Then 4, done. Then 5, done. Then 7, done. If any place is pending, at that place write the greatest number. So 775430 is the greatest number. And for the smallest number, we need to follow our rules. Again, we need to mark 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 dashes. Okay, rule number 2, if it contains 0, mark on the second position. Rule number 2. Rule number 3, what is the second smallest number, write it at the first position. Done. 3, done. Okay, now we are creating the smallest number, but write the biggest number at the end. 7. Then next biggest is 5. And then next is 4. Okay, if any place pending, write the smallest number is 0. Now take this difference. Okay, now take the difference. Okay, we need to subtract this one. 10 minus 7 3, 12 minus 5 7, 3 13 minus 4 9, then 4 minus 0 4, 7 minus 0 7, 4 minus 7 minus 3 4, 4 7 4 9 7 3, 4 7 4 9 7 3. Option A is the correct one. Option A is the correct option. Okay, how to create the greatest number, how to create the smallest number, please do watch the last video. That is really helpful to create this number, because here the number of digits given 5 but asked to create the 6-digit number. So in that we need to follow the rules properly and you can create the numbers. Okay, next question, what is the sum of adding all the possible 3-digit number formed by 4 to 5 using each of the digit only once? So we need to do the sum of all the numbers. Okay, how we can create the numbers? We can create the 6 number from the 4 to 5. One is 4 to 5, second is 4 5 2, just exchange the last two now. Third one is 10 to 2 first, then 4 5, then 2 5 4, then fifth is take the fifth as first, then 4 2, then 5 2 4. Okay, we need to do the sum and these two sums come 2 4 4 2. Okay, other option is that there are, what we can do, there are 3 digits, right? 4 2 5. Okay, first, second digit, third digit. Okay, in first 2 into sum of the digit. Okay, equal to 2 into 4 plus 2 plus 5. Okay, equal to 2 5, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 5 11, 2 into 11 is 22. Okay, then 10 into 22 equal to 220, then 100 into 22 is 2200. Now do the sum, 22 plus 220 plus 2200. Okay, 2442. This is the sum. So option 2 is correct. Okay, so I am repeating again what you need to do. If 3 digit na, write 3 1 2 3, 2 into sum of the digit means 2 into 4 plus 2 plus 5 means 22, then 10 into 22, 100 into 22, because 3 places. This is unit place value 22, this is 10 place 220, and this is 100 place 2200. Do the sum of this, you will get the sum of the all possible 3-digit numbers that can be formed from 4 to 5. So next question, what is the non-terminating recurring form of 0.26? Actually 0.26 is the terminating decimal fraction. Okay, that is terminating. There is no further decimal points available after 0.26. To convert it into the non-terminating, only option is to add zeros. We can add a number of 0 here. 0.26, right? We can add 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, n number of 0 we can add. So what is the number that is getting repeated? That is the 0. So instead of writing this in the non-terminating, what we can do, we just write 0 and mention dot. Dot means this part is repeating decimal. Okay, that's called non-terminating form. Okay, so this is the 0.26 and then this is the dot. Okay, dot, that means this converted into non-terminating recurring form of 0.26. What is the following is a terminating decimal fraction? Okay, 0.55 dot 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 5.5 dot 5.55 bar, then 5.555. Okay, here they ask for the terminating means no dash, no dot. Okay, here only the four option, here only fourth is the option where there is no dot or there is no dash, means bar, so that means that is terminating. So 0.555 is terminated. Okay, if any 5.5 means 5.555 that is 5.5.5 bar means 5.55555. So this is also non-terminating. Only this is the one which is terminated, means this is ended. There is no further value after that 5 3 5 5.5 0.555 is the terminated decimal value of the number. Okay. Question 8. The square root of a number which are not a perfect square are known as option 1 integers, option 2 rational number, option 3 irrational number, option 4 is real number. Actually the square root of the number which are not perfect square are known as irrational number. Okay, so option is C is correct, right? No, wait, all irrational number are real number. That means the square root of the number which are not a perfect square are known as both real number and irrational number, because real number contains irrational and rational both. So our answer is irrational, and irrational is also real number. So that's why option 3 and 4 are correct. You need to do it properly. Okay, good.